Hello everyone, welcome to my day 6 of the 100 days coding challenge. So since day 4, I started out with control structures where I looked at the sequence structure, selection structure and repetition structure. And I've been working with the repetition structure since day 4. This is where I use the while loop to take in 10 inputs and give the average of these inputs. That's for day 4, and for day 5 I did a multiplication table with the while loop. Aside the while loop, we also have different types of loops in Java, which includes the for loop, the do while loop, and the enhanced for loop. So for today, I'll still be doing the repetition structure, just that I'll be looking at a different type of loop, which is the for loop. So the for loop is actually the same as the while loop. The only difference is that to run a for loop, we just need just one line of code. So first of all, I'll start by creating my file, day 6. All right. So I said that to run a for loop, we only need one line of code. So it goes like this. Initializing my variable. Let's say I take the variable num and I give it a value of 1. The next thing to do is to add the condition, which is now num should be less than or equal to 10, and then the increment operator, which is and that's it. So it still runs the same way with the while loop. The only difference is that in a for loop, we only need one line of code, unlike the while loop where we have to declare the variable here, then give it the condition, and then the increment. So that's the difference between the while loop and the for loop. So aside this, I think the next thing to do now is to create a multiplication table using the for loop as we did for the while loop yesterday. So I'll come here and say int table is equal to 3, and I think I'll just change this to what should I change it to now? Let's say count. Yes, count is my variable starting to count. So take count, and we'll just remove this for now. So I'll have your int timetable, just as we have in our for loop, is equal to table times count. That's it then. Let's out, because I don't want to stress myself. I'll just copy everything here. Ctrl C. And that's it. Running the code. Alright. We have 3 times 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 to 30. Isn't it amazing? Different structures will still produce the same results. So I'll be allowing the user to decide the number we're using for our timetable, and that's what we're doing next. And this will be done with the help of scanner. Equal to new scanner system dot n. So let's say s out enter a number, special privilege, enter a number. So this place becomes input the next it, and that's it. Let me use number 7. And you see, still gives us our result. 7 times 1, 7, 14, 21, 2, 70. Alright guys, that's it for today. So day 6 done and dusted. Looking forward to tomorrow.